Okay guys, so eto yon. May nagtanong kasi sa akin, sabi niya, hindi po ako marunong ano po yung join button. So, pag ang phone mo is Android or you are watching me through your laptop, you can see that join button here. So, what you will do is you press that join button, and then when you press it, you will be directed to this one. Yan, sabi niya ay join this channel. So, pag naging member ka kasi, you have different perks. And then you click this if you think you are a soul searcher. Soul searcher definition is if you are the kind of traveler who visit new places to seek solace and inner peace. O, the babongga. Yan, yun yung amount niya, 50 baht. So, you can also use the stickers. And then you can connect to me to my Facebook account. And then the tourist naman, it's 100 baht. Then you click the join button, this blue thing here, and then I will play your video 5 hours per week, even you are a monetized channel. So you will get 20 hours a month from me, and I will be posting the receipt of the played videos in our members only community. And then if you're in Thailand, you will have 20 baht discount for every purchase of your vouchers through me, which is already 50% discount most of the time. But I'll give you another 20 baht. And then if you are a thrill seeker, that means you are ready to wake up early and ride the motorbike to remote destinations and explore the unknown. Yan, that's 150 baht only. You can avail 50 baht discount for every personal purchase of your voucher. So, monthly yun. Anytime. That's unlimited in a month. Kung halimbawa, you are planning to go to 4 places in a month, that's okay. Every personal voucher mo, it's discounted ng 50 baht. And then, if you are the kind of, so here we go. If you are the travel planner, their friends and family look up to them to plot the perfect itinerary for the trip. And that is me. So, you can click this one, and then you click the join button. And then, if you are the luxury traveler naman, with this one, you can also have, hindi pa approve yung ibang perks, but I'm still waiting. The luxury traveler, you have a taste for everything fine. Boutique, hotels, fine dining, restaurant, and VIP access. Ayan. So, what you will do is you click here. So, as you can see, when you click it there, you just need to click join. Ayan. You just need to click the or Visa or MasterCard. So, yun siya. Yan po yun. That's easy as that. And then, when you have it, you can use these stickers. These stickers over there when you go on chat. Or when the host is live. Yun po. So, join my membership button, especially if you need W8 or you just want to support me. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my membership button.